All right. Thank you for clicking on this video and joining us today. This is the roofing presentation within the roofing market and the products that Steinel offers within this segment. My name is Ryan Guilfoyle, and I am the Eastern Regional Sales Manager for Steinel. So this is tools for roofing, easy to use, maximum efficiency, and high value. So just to jump right in here and start off, I just wanted to do a little bit of an introduction of the company. We are the U.S. subsidiary of a much larger German company. We are, very much a dominant tools provider in the German market. We have a new tagline that we are extremely excited about, a new brand that we are launching globally. And this is Steinel, the Inventors Company. And what does this essentially mean? It means that we really think outside of the box, and we innovate things that our competitors, really take for granted. We're always tinkering with things to find a new and better way to make a product more efficient, safer, and longer lasting. And you can see there at the bottom, this is our German headquarters here. And the solutions we provide is easy to use technology, maximum efficiency, and, really a high value for your investment. Commercial roofing is changing. Everything's always changing. Ongoing labor shortage, labor costs are increasing. And we're trying to find ways to improve that efficiency, the high value on your investment. And with the equipment that the tools that we provide, we feel you can really get the job done well. And so this is our stand up here. This is the first and only UL listed robot on the market. And what does that essentially mean? It means that it has to go through the proper UL test. So this is a very long-lasting, really packs a good punch. It has a lot of features and functionality. It only weighs 31 pounds. No crane is needed for this unit. It's compact, it's very ergonomic. You can increase the temperature from 120 all the way up to 1150 degrees Fahrenheit in 10-degree increments. So you're really getting to dial in to exactly what temperature you need. You can also adjust the CFM as well. So full precision here. Perfect welds every single time. That's what we're going for, and we think we have this with this unit. We've received a lot of good praise from this. We attended the last few IRE shows, the one in Nashville and in Dallas, and we've just got nothing but great response for this stand up here. Maximum efficiency, 10,000 hour brushless motor. Minimum 10,000 hour brushless motor. Really impressive. I mean, just incredibly long lasting. One person operation with this telescopic handle here. You either can be in front of the unit or behind it. So very easy to use. It's got a lot of infield changeable parts. One is the heating element. Simply take off the magnesium nose cone and you can apply just a couple screws. You can apply a new heating element. So zero downtime. Same with the power cord, infield changeable power cord. So very easy to maintenance. This unit actually will get up to 2 to 3 inches to the parapet wall, so you're eliminating and reducing as much hand welding as possible. It's got a lot of high value here. It's very competitively priced, extremely competitively priced. 10,000 hour, again, brushless motor. And just to dive in here into the little bit more into the features. Just to go through some of these benefits here, again, with the heating element being infield changeable, the power cord being infield changeable, these are, some of the main parts that you see go out, mostly with the heating element. And being able to change that quick means that you don't have to take this thing to a service center. You can get these parts changed out very quickly right there in the field, so you're not losing time on the job. It's got, again, that telescopic handle that moves in both directions. The LCD digital readout, so it's always here in display. You can see exactly what you're working with. It has a toggle, so you can adjust that from left or right in 10-degree increments, and you can adjust that temperature or your CFM. It does have this track here, this arm that you actually can pull up as you get closer to the parapet wall, and that will, again, allow you to get really close to that wall, so you're eliminating all that hand welding. Very lightweight, no crane needed for this thing, extremely lightweight. The unit that we offer here comes in a transportation box, metal transportation box, and comes with 3 additional weights that you can see the holes right here on this this handle here. We also added 2 more actually, so this is an older picture, but you can add up to 5 weights if you'd like. It comes with a wire brush and a starting plate as well. So this is just some of the testing. Some of these have been done in Germany. We don't typically use EPDM as far as welding with hand tools here in the States, but however, they do use it in Germany. So some of this testing has been done already. They've had this unit for a couple of years now and have nothing but some great feedback. And again, we've received a lot of great feedback here in the States as well as we've introduced this into the market. We are still currently working on providing some of these temperatures and speeds. So as we progressively carve our way into the market, we'll be able to introduce and get our hand welder and stand-up spec in more into these roofing materials. You can see here's another welding temperature for the roofing material slide. So this slide here is the service centers. We're staying on top of this. We are building our network. We do have some locations that we have identified, whether that be a distributor or service center or both. They would be authorized service centers. I can't stress that enough that our products can really, you can service these products in the field. The majority of the most prominently, the most prominent parts that you would see that you would need to be replaced, you can do the majority of those on the roof and in the field. However, we do know that annually we would probably, recommend doing a maintenance checkup on these on this HD roof, and these service centers would be have a stock of replacement parts, and even further, they would offer a loaner unit. So you're not waiting on the job for your unit to be returned back to you. But again, we are looking at additional service centers. We will have more of these put into place. So this is our flagship model, nothing but the best, HG2620E. This unit is incredibly lightweight compared to what you may be used to. 10,000 hour brushless motor, again, this is a 120 volt. The robot is 240. This would be 110, 120. Fully programmable settings. You can control your temperature in 10-degree increments from 120 all the way up to 1,300 degrees Fahrenheit. So the robot will get up to 1,150. This will get up to 1,300 degrees. So extremely hot. very robust, very long lasting. Infield changeable power cord, infield changeable heating element. High value. As far as our competition, you would see this unit coming in typically about $100 less than what you normally see out there. Brushless motor, it accepts all competitor nozzles. So, you know, you can put on any sort of competitor's nozzles on this. As long as they're clamped nozzles, they will fit on this unit. We understand that, you know, you're putting quite a bit of money into those sort of accessories, even though we offer a wide variety of accessories. You know, we also understand that you're putting some money into those. So it's nice to be able to get this unit and, you know, slap on a nozzle that you may have already had and get to work right away. So just to dive in a little deeper into the features, again, infield changeable heating element. If you look at this silver magnesium nose cone here, you can take this off, 2 screws on either side. There's 4 screws on the inside. Take them out, take out the heating element, plug in a new one, and put back on the nose cone, and you're off to the races. This is, again, brushless motor, 10,000 hour motor life. You can see right here, right underneath the LCD digital readout, which is always in display, you can see a little toggle here. You can increase or decrease your CFM and temperature. And right below that, we have a safety heat indicator. This is a residual heat indicator that will essentially blink and let you know that the barrel's hot. And even if the gun becomes unplugged, it will continue to blink to let you know, hey, that barrel's hot. Just a nice additional safety feature that we offer. We really take a lot of pride in our safety as well as performance. We have a nice ergonomic handle here, soft inlay grip, 3 injection mold, and this inlay grip fits real nice and snug in here, very comfortable in the hand, and again, very lightweight. And right here on the back, we have a cool down mode. You can hold this, you can turn on the unit, but you can also hold this down for 3 seconds as well, and this will go down in a 300-second cool down mode. And the gun will turn off, which also saves the life of the heating element as well. So we definitely recommend doing that. It also has a fine particle dust filter here, which you can self-clean and put back in. So really a lot of nice features and functionalities there. Here's some of the nozzle assortments. You know, again, we have a wide variety of different accessories. Most commonly, you'll see the 40mm angled slit nozzle being used for TPO, PVC welding. However, you know, we do offer some various different more slim, reduced nozzles to get into the tighter spots or smaller areas. 20mm flat angled nozzle, we have a Sherry flat angled nozzle, and 100-degree angled nozzles. So as you know, as I said, you know, the 2620 is our flagship model. A lot of bells and whistles there. Then you know, just a little step down, we have the HG2220E. This is a very lightweight unit, just over a pound. So extremely lightweight. It's got even a much smaller handle than the HG2620E, so it's even easier to grip. A lot slimmer handle there, very ergonomic, one-hand operation. It does have a ceramic encapsulated heating element. This is a patent heating element that Steinel has. You know, we've always been known for our very long-lasting heat pulls, and this heating element really is impressive. I mean, it lasts for a very long time. High value, you know, as I mentioned, the 2620E, the HG 2620E typically is about $100 less than what you see out there. But you might actually see this definitely at $100 less than the competition, possibly even more than that. Most likely more than that. And we do have a adapter nozzle that will fit onto this unit. So you can actually put on, you know, clamp nozzles, any sort of nozzle will fit on this unit as well, just as the other handhelds that we have. So you can see here, as we dive into some of the features here, it does have a variable temp adjustment here. Just a little thumb wheel there, so you're not getting in as far as, you know, 10-degree increments, but you're still you know, getting a lot of you know, variable temperature there with that thumb wheel. This is the outlet tube right here. This does not have an in-field changeable heating element. It is a solder desolder. This is a brushed motor, lifetime of 750 hours. Of course, there's a lot of variable there. You could get a lot more life out of the heating element motor. It just depends on the use of it. But still a lot of lifetime there. We have, oh, I apologize. We have fine particle dust filter. So you can, these still have the self-cleaning particle dust filters. We have a 2-stage airflow here. So again, you're not dialing in, you know, as much as the 2620 and, you know, the temperature and CFM. You still can adjust these, you know, turning it on and increasing the CFM airflow. It does have an in-field changeable power cord. So these are, you know, just some of the heat tools that we have introduced into the market. You know, we're still carving our way into this market, but we have already received, you know, a lot of praise and, you know, a lot of great feedback. You know, these tools definitely get the job done. You know, easy to use, maximum efficiency, and high value for your investment. If you would like to reach out to a regional sales manager, you can go to Steinel.net. Simply look up within your location and find a regional manager that way, or you can email sales@steinel.net. And somebody will reach out to you right away. We have an 800 number down here as well. So thank you so much, and can't wait to get our products out there. You know, if you'd like to set up a demo, we'd be more than happy to, you know, take care of that for you. So yeah, thank you so much.